Good morning, guys, and happy Sunday. We won't be going to church today, so we're going to have a service at home. No. And my oldest is awake. Layla, she's still asleep. We don't really have much going on today. I do have some laundry to get done. Well, laundry to fold that I did like 2 days ago. And I got to change my bed sheets and just clean up a little bit because my sister and nephew also coming in town. So gotta do that. It's 9:39 right now. Amira, she asked for pancakes, so that's what I'm gonna make her. Maybe some boiled eggs. But yeah, I also have a grocery order being delivered today. Well, it's supposed to be in the morning. And so we're just gonna spend the day together. Yo, look at my hair. I need to I need to wash my hair. Not just wash, but like steam and give it a little TLC. And I hope you guys have a blessed weekend and a great start to your week as well. What are you doing? She's like, But yeah, I'm about to bless you. I'm about to start with breakfast. How baby girl looks like she's waking up. I still call her baby girl, even though she's 15 months. But I am out of vanilla. So I think I'm gonna try almond extract. And I also have this plain, like not plain, but clear vanilla. Gonna help. But yeah, I'm gonna also put nutmeg and cinnamon. I needed a little help. Sure. Yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna also add a little green in it as well. This one is almost done. You wanna watch what? Madagascar? Y'all, in this house, we're a movie family. We love to watch movies. Hi. Hi. I'm doing my work. Y'all, look at them. They think my cup is theirs. They listen to the Tony Box. That some mornings are like this, and then we do have our little chaotic morning as well. But like 90% out of the time, it's like this. But my toddler, she said she want to have breakfast in the. Amira, can you turn that down, please? You want to have breakfast in the living room. She said she want to watch Clifford. So that's what's gonna happen. So they're gonna have breakfast over there, and I'm going to make my breakfast. I'm about to strip my bed and put them in the water. Oh, I swear, every time this girl bring me this dress. But I'm about to strip my bed and put the sheets to wash, fold some laundry, and put away. I do need to strip Layla's bed in as well. And I also have church service going on the TV. What? Y'all can see Layla, but she have the princess dress on, and she's pointing for me to go this way, to go turn the TV on and put Moana on for her. Come on. What are you doing? Yeah, I've been trying to keep up with laundry. I always do laundry at least twice during the week. That way I don't like have a whole bunch of laundry. by the weekend. That's how I've been trying to keep up with my laundry. But y'all can let me know down in the comment, how do you like stay on track with laundry? Like, you know, if you have kids, like how do you stay on track with laundry?
Put it down.
Thank you. Church service.
You're jumping in the air like that window. Jump
Tummy gonna hurt.
for cheese.
Yeah. Cheese will hurt your tummy. It's almost the middle of the month right now.
Hi, Lele. I'm eating the cheese. You want to try out mine? Good job. Lele likes it. Mom.
You want more?
Lele, Mom. Last one. Lele, last one. Okay?
I'm gonna put Layla down for her nap and come back and clean this kitchen. Say bye. You say bye bye? Say bye bye.
Bye.
So this is the little
Do you need help?
bites, the
Do you
pizza
need
bites.
help?
If I need help?
Yeah.
No, but your pizza bites are ready.
I will help you.
And you have my little helper as well, always here. What's your name, little helper?
Emil.
How old are you?
2.
Show me two. Two. Show me two. Yeah? Good job.
And Lele is 2. And I is 1.